This is IKEA's Dombas wardrobe. Since its backside is cardboard, I roughly painted with white color. When we downsized from one bedroom apartment to a studio apartment, we had to face a lot of challenges. The main thing was storage, and the other thing was how to maintain the privacy as before. So we thought about a lot of ideas and ended up with this idea because this would do both together. If we keep a wardrobe as a room divider, we could store a lot of stuff inside this, and the same thing we could make it as a divider also. So if you guys are staying in a small space like this, if you are planning for a room divider, I would suggest this would be the best room divider idea you could ever have.